How to upload HD video on WhatsApp status. In this video, I'll show you how to upload an HD video on your WhatsApp status in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, open any chat. You can even message yourself if you'd like. Tap on the attachment icon and select Gallery or Photos. Then, browse your gallery and choose the video you want to upload. Before sending the video, look at the top of the screen and tap the HD button. This ensures that your video is sent in high quality. Once you've selected the HD option, send the video in the chat. Now, tap on the forward icon next to the video and select My Status from the list. Then, tap Forward to post it as your WhatsApp status. That's it! You've successfully uploaded your WhatsApp status video in HD quality. You can view it anytime from the Updates tab. If you find this video informative, click on Like, Share, and Subscribe for more videos.